In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML to Squarespace. First, sign into your Squarespace account and land on the account dashboard. From there, open your site by clicking Dashboard, then choose the site you want to work on and select Go to Website. Once your site opens, look at the left-hand navigation and click Website to access your site tools. Next, click Pages to bring up your page list so you can choose where the custom HTML should go. Pick the page you want to edit and click Edit to enter the page editor. You'll be working directly on the canvas now. Hover between existing content, and when you see the option, click Add Section. Instead of choosing a pre-built layout, select Add Blank. A blank section gives you a clean slate so your custom code displays exactly how you intend, without extra blocks getting in the way. Click into that new section to activate it so you can start adding content. Inside the blank section, click Add Block. In the block picker, search for and choose the code block. If you see code appear more than once in the panel, just select the standard code block option each time it's presented so you land in the correct editor. After the block appears on the page, click the code block area to open its settings, and if needed, click Edit to bring up the full code editor. Squarespace usually pre-fills the code block with a simple placeholder that says Hello World. Remove that default line so the field is completely clear. Now paste in your own HTML. Keep your markup as tidy as possible. Clean indentation and closing tags help you spot issues quickly and make future edits painless. Within the code block editor, switch the language mode to HTML by clicking the HTML option. This ensures Squarespace interprets your content as markup rather than plain text. You'll also see a control labeled something like Display Source Code. Toggle this on to view your raw HTML and verify that what you pasted looks correct, then toggle it off to preview the rendered output within the editor. If you ever need to double check, you can toggle it again to compare source and preview. When you're satisfied, return to the main code panel to confirm those settings. Back on the canvas, you can resize the code block so it fits the layout of your page. Drag the block's handles to adjust width and spacing. If your HTML contains elements that should span wider or sit centered, give the block the space it needs here. It often prevents awkward wrapping and improves readability. When everything looks right, click Save to commit your changes. This step publishes the update to your site's draft or live state, depending on how your site is configured. After saving, click Exit to leave the editor and return to the normal site view. Now it's time to test. Scroll to the section where you added the code and interact with it just as a visitor would. If your HTML included an interactive element, say, a button labeled Click for a test alert, go ahead and click it to confirm it behaves as expected. You should see the alert pop up if your code is working correctly. A few practical tips as you wrap up. If the code block doesn't appear where you expect, make sure you're clicking inside the blank section you added, not another part of the page. If your HTML needs scripts, keep them concise and ensure they're safe and necessary. Lean code usually loads faster and causes fewer conflicts. And if the preview seems off, revisit the HTML mode and display source toggle to confirm your markup is intact. That's it. You signed in, opened your site, navigated to pages, entered edit mode, added a blank section, inserted a code block, pasted your HTML, set the editor to HTML mode, previewed the source, resized the block, saved, exited, and tested the result. You now know exactly how to add HTML to Squarespace with confidence and clarity.